And look, right now, the universe wants you to slow down. Take a second. Inhale. Exhale. It is okay to relax. It is okay to slow down. It is okay to take a moment to breathe. It is okay to take time out for self. Put you first. Put I first. Put self first. You, self, I, put first. And once you do that, you realize then, only then, is when you're putting God first. Because you are God. Light Life Empire, man.